Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to set up a shortcut for our voice access function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our options and how to set up a shortcut. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options. Next, in interaction and dexterity, we have our voice access. By default it's turned off, as you can see. To create a shortcut we need to go in here, allow, and now we have three shortcut options. We can add this function to our accessibility button at the bottom right, or we can choose from these two options for our button press shortcuts. Let's add it here, and here we have our voice access. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.